Hi and welcome to Property Reviews by IndiaProperty.com. Today we're going to explore Anusree's Kurunji, which offers homes at affordable rates with all the basic necessities. Anusree's Kurunji comprises of 15 units spread across 3 blocks ranging between 886 to 1200 square feet. The project is just 40 minutes drive from Chennai International Airport and 20 minutes drive from Thambaram Railway Station. The project is closely located to education institutions like BS Matriculation School and St. John's Matriculation School. Talking about the healthcare facilities, Medavakkam Government Hospital and Global Hospital is in close proximity to this project.
I'm just walking into this 2 BHK, which is sized at 914 square feet. The size of the living and the dining area is 19.5 by 10.
To my right is the kitchen. Let's get inside the kitchen and see how big it is. I'm right now in the kitchen of this 2 BHK, which is sized at 11 by 7.1. The kitchen comes with a granite countertop and the stainless steel sink fitted to it. Provisions for storage has been given below the countertop and to my left. Above the storage space, a big loft has been provided which gives additional storage for this kitchen. I'm in the first bedroom of this 2 BHK, which is sized at 11 by 10, and this is the master bedroom for this 2 BHK. This bedroom comes with a toilet and bath attached, and to my left you can see provision for storage has been given, and right above that a loft has been provided to give additional storage for this bedroom. This bedroom can comfortably accommodate a queen size cot. I'm just stepping into the second bedroom of this 2 BHK, which is sized at 11 by 10.1. This bedroom doesn't have a toilet and bath attached, but there are 2 windows which gives cross ventilation across each other and enough light will come inside this bedroom. Provision is being given for storage to my left, and right above storage is a big loft which gives additional storage for this bedroom. This bedroom again can accommodate a comfortable queen size cot. As I move out of the second bedroom of this 2 BHK, right opposite me there's a toilet and bath attached which is common, and before you enter into the first bedroom there's a small wash area which is being provided for this dining area. Internal walls are finished with 2 coats of putty, 1 coat of primer and 2 coats of emulsion paints. Talking about the flooring, the living, the dining, the bedrooms and the kitchen are fitted with 2x2 beautified tiles. For the bathrooms, it's anti-skip tiles on the floor and glazed Zaro tiles on the wall up to 7 feet. And for the kitchen, it's glazed Zaro tiles on the wall up to 2 feet. Furnishing is generally not done by the builder, but it is taken based on request. An additional cost is being incurred, which is not part of the deal. The project offers covered car park which is payable, 3-phase connection and inverter facility for all the BHKs. The project is priced at 5,400 per square feet. The other projects around this area are Anusree Constructions, Ratria and Avanita. Hope this review has given a clear idea and description about this project. Whether looking for residence, farmhouse, commercial space, investment property, land or a retirement community, India Property has it all.